अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। होप सो आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में मैंने आप लोगों के साथ डिफरेंट पैसेजेस शेयर किए थे। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों के साथ ऐसे शेयर करूँगी कर्बिंग चाइल्ड अब्यूज़। ये पहले भी शेयर किया था लेकिन ये पहले वाले से डिफरेंट है। तो चलते हैं हम अपने ऐसे की तरफ, लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना है ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो ईजिली आप तक पहुँच सके। तो चलते हैं हम अपने ऐसे की तरफ। Child abuse casts a shadow the length of a lifetime. Child abuse is defined as intentional acts that result in physical or emotional that harming the children. Nowadays, we always hear about child abuse, and there are many children being abused every year. There are many different forms of abuse, and many people do not realize them. They included physical, emotional neglect, and sexual abuse. Children are like different roses, don't crush and spoil their fragrance. Physical abuse is a physical injury which can cause a result such as punishing, beating, kicking, or otherwise that harming the children. Such injury is considered abuse regardless of whether the caretaker intended to hurt the children. Forms of physical abuse included acts of violence which are deliberate and can injure or sometimes kill the children. Signs of the abuse like broken bones and burn marks on child's body. The true character of a society is revealed in how it treats its children. Emotional abuse is a pattern of behavior that impaired a child's emotional development. This may include criticism, threats, or rejection, as well as withholding love, support, and love. Emotional abuse can be difficult to pin down because there are no physical signs to look for. Emotional abuse generally occurs when the yelling and anger too far, or when a parents constantly threatens or dismiss a children until a child's feelings are broken. To give a child animal products is a form of child abuse. Last but not least, we proceed to the sexual abuse. Sexual means the involvement of developmentally immature children. Sexual abuse is any misuse of children for sexual pleasure or gratification. This includes activities by parents or caretakers such as rape and exploitation through prostitution or the production of pornographic material. Mistreating your drum set is just one step below child abuse, as the conclusion prevent is better than cure. Child abuse lead to many bad effects, not only for children that are being abused but also the person who abused the children. We should prevent it from getting worse, as the children today will be a teacher for tomorrow. Childhood should be carefree, playing in the sun, not living a nightmare in the darkness of the soul. Child abuse is a phenomena in today's society. Many people have been victims, and although it has been taken into consideration, more surveillance should be taking place. There are three types of abuse that ruin the life of a child: physical, emotional, and sexual. However, focusing on domestic violence, a child will be affected by physical and emotional abuse. Child abuse does not go away, but 90% of child abuse is preventable. The very best way for preventing child sexual abuse and a future child sexual abuser is by the practice of good parenting or guardianship. Children with responsible and loving guardians are less likely to be abused because their guardians are cautious and protective for them. A child with these circumstances are also vastly less likely to abuse as they get older because they are brought up in a proper environment with good role models to follow. Any nation that neglect the अच्छा, ये वाली कोटेशन आप लोग छोड़ दें, इसकी जगह ये नीचे जो आ रही हैं ये वाली आप लोग लिखिएगा। इमोशनल अब्यूज़ इज़ अ पैटर्न ऑफ बिहेवियर दैट impaired a child's emotional development. This may be included constant criticism, threat or rejection, as well as withholding love, support and love. Abuse is not love. Abuse is about control. 10,000s of children each year are traumatized by physical, sexual, and emotional abusers or by caregivers who neglect them, making child abuse as common as it is shocking. If you want your children to turn out well, spend twice as much time with them and half as much money. Child abuse is everybody's business. We have a responsibilities to children to prevent abuse and neglect. Child abuse is come in many different and form, and it affects our long lasting abuse. Children often show different symptoms that indicate abuse. The true character of a society is revealed in how it treats its children. There are many factors contributing child abuse. There are environmental factor, child factor and family factor. Let the youngsters continue their life with smile. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था ऐसे। होप सो आप लोगों ने इसे नोट डाउन कर लिया होगा। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको कामयाब करे। मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।